Pakistan has new Prime Minister Shahbaz Sharif. Some people know him, some don't, and others may do not care. No matter who rules Pakistan, the country is never going to change anyway. That's the prevailing argument. But for a moment, let's put the skepticism aside and get to know who this man really is. What is his story? What are his political views? How different is he from Imran Khan? And what changes, if any, could he bring to the India-Pakistan relationship? Shahbaz Sharif's story begins in 1951. He borns on September 23rd to the prestigious Sharif family, a Punjabi Kashmiri family. The family is based in Lahore, and his father was Muhammad Sharif, an upper middle class businessman who belonged to the Anantnag district in Kashmir. His mother is also from India. She came from Pulwama after marriage. They went to Amritsar. After the partition of India, they moved to Lahore. Shahbaz was their second son. The first son was Nawaz Sharif. Nawaz Sharif is a former Prime Minister of Pakistan. And the third son was Abbas Sharif, a Tablighi Jamaat missionary, and he passed away in 2013. And like most politicians in Pakistan, Shahbaz Sharif also grew up in the lap of wealth. He lived in the palatial Jati Umrah residence named after his ancestral village near Amritsar. It's a sprawling estate spread over 200 acres. The Punjab government has accused the Sharif family of illegally occupying this land. Sharif got his early education from St. Anthony's High School in Lahore. Then he went to the Government College University and got a degree in Bachelor's of Art. We will get there in a bit. First, his profile. Shahbaz Sharif has lived quite a colorful life. He has been married 5 times and divorced thrice at present. Was 23, he married to Begum Nusrat Shahbaz, and the couple had 4 children. And then he got married to other 4 wives. After graduation, he joined family business in steel production and mining. He owned Ittefaq Group, one of the biggest companies in Pakistan, and most of the dealers are awarded by the Pakistan rulers like Zulfikar Ali Bhutto, General Ziaul Haq, and together they gave the family $200 million.